Hello, I just wanted to welcome back all of our patients and to share a little bit about, everyone knows our vision already, that we are passionate about preventative health. And although we have been providing oral healthcare services and dental services over the last 3 months, we have not been able to provide preventative health, which is preventative oral wellness is our passion. So we are back to support that more than ever now. Many of you may or may not realize with this current pandemic that went on that those at most at risk for having complications of the virus or being susceptible to all viruses really in general and bacteria were those with chronic conditions, especially diabetes, especially heart failure. And many know, again, because we speak of it at many of our appointments, but I know sometimes we get busy, and I wanted to let you know again that your airway, the amount of oxygen you get at night, how you sleep and breathe both day and night, periodontal disease and the amount of inflammation in your oral cavity, and bacteria that cause tooth infection, bone infection around teeth, are responsible for keeping your immune system strong, keeping you resilient, and keeping inflammation in your body low. And those are 3 areas that we are here to support you in, so that when this virus or other viruses or other bacteria, anything in the environment that could stress your body out comes again, or comes to you, you will be prepared to use your own defense, a strong immune system. So we are back. We've always been doing things. I'm doing this video just to let you know that we've always been doing things to keep you and us safe. Many people don't realize it because we haven't really talked about it before, but we work in mouths all the time, mouths without masks. We work with thousands of patients a year, and many have no idea if they are harboring viruses in their body or bacteria at that time, or if they are going to come down with something in the next few days. So we're always protecting ourselves. So this is nothing new to us, but we wanted to let our patients know that we do have these types of air filtration systems in our offices that use carbon, that use charcoal, that use UV light to keep our air as clean as possible, because we're always working in those environments, and we want our team members as well as our patients to have a very clean and non-toxic environment. That's why we also happen to use paints and different types of units in the system just to keep mold, everything low in our offices that could also be toxic, not just bacteria and viruses. We do use high volume suction. Many of you know that we have different things that we put in your mouth, things that we put outside your mouth. You may even see more of those on your next visit because they are now, we've always only had a few brands to buy from, and they're now updating and upgrading and offering 2, 3, 4 different things in one unit to help with aerosols in the office. So you may see some more of the same that you've always been there, but now we may use them in more procedures and have them in more rooms in the office. We wanted to let folks know we always have hydrogen peroxide rinses and ozone rinses. Oxygen kills harmful bacteria that cause gum disease and inflammation in the body. Just happens that both also kill the coronavirus, COVID-19, as well as flu viruses. And so those we are going to have all of our patients now pre-rinse with. We've always offered it, but now we'll now require it. And even we're going to do a little video later with some freebies, but if you bring a little mason jar, I'll tell you all about ozone, and you can take some home with you too. Helps boost your immune system and helps you actually age less. It gives you good skin, a whole bunch of other stuff. So while you're coming in, you might as well take some of our good stuff home with you. We also have different virucidals and natural and conventional disinfectants that we use in all of our rooms. We always have in between patients. We use them in the bathrooms, we use them in the waiting room, so those are all still be used and will even be used more frequently throughout the day. Some new things that you will see is we are going to take your temperature prior to going back for any treatment and entering the office, and I think everyone's pretty familiar with that now, and so that will be part of our regimen now, as well as making sure that you are not saying that you had any symptoms that could be similar to COVID or flu in the last few weeks before your appointment. I think those are the main things that we're doing. There's lots more, but I just wanted to let you know a little bit as you return to our office about what we've always offered to keep you and us safe, and that we are happy to be back providing services that are going to boost your immune system. I know many of you, we're not even scheduled to be in with us for preventative visits here in 2019, so we haven't even seen you yet this year. So we are just thrilled that we are going to get to support your immune system, decrease inflammation in your body, make you stronger, and give you more energy, give you more oxygen if you're looking for airway services. And we just can't wait to see you again in our office.